Oh my god, look at that, look at that.
Oh, it's actually getting darker the deeper you go down.
I almost feel bad putting something this nice and shiny into this car. Ooh. Hello there. Oh my god. Look at the cobwebs. There's cobwebs everywhere. Ugh. Look at this. Rock. Jack and pint. Right, so we are back with the BMW. This time it's a version 3 of trying to make it not a heap of shit. So we're going to give it a go over the next 2 days and try to get it working so we can use it, because it's just sat there for a while being completely ignored. Josh likes it.
That's all that matters.
Right, we bought bushings for it. We got some suspension, which we'll talk about when the time comes. But we're booked in for a drift day in the car. Look how great that looks. What a shit am I. Right, so we're up on the lift. That bushing is fucking dick-eat.
No wonder it was like a bag of soap.
This one is fucked. There's no gasket or bolts on the manifold going to the exhaust, so that's why it sounds like a fart. Look at the pigeon shit weld here. That's great. And the straight through doesn't reach the back.
Literally a straight.
Just a fucking, it's just a pole off a fucking stop sign. Then it just comes, and then it doesn't actually make it as far as it was supposed to. The lads went,
Monroe's. Where was it?
oh good god.
Wheel bearing.
Yeah, she's fucked. That's why when you were doing skids the last time, the wheel was folding in on itself. Oh my god, look at that, look at that.
So this whole back corner.
Fucking see it. And there's a whole episode on us fixing that. And now we're just replacing it all.
We should have just sold it to someone else.
So it's not a road car shop. Exactly, yeah, of course. The steel trestle is still in there. There's a trestle in the boat.
We won't weld the bottom of it.
No, we not.
I cracked them.
What make car do we use, Josh?
Round. These are the tires and the wheels. GTR spring.
Is it out an R32 GTR?
Yeah. Worth 40 grand.
And the Alpine is on the front. Oh, there is some attempt of a coilover in the front. Basketball. Pass it over. And then the second it goes sideways, it's going to just take off and break an ankle. That's what's fine at here. Flat out. And I could be doing no.
Hold that camera.
Oh yeah.
Camera boy.
Camera boy. Jesus, they're fucking scaldy. Aren't they?
Keep the place in its race.
So what, you're replacing them front lollipops with M3 ones? Yeah. Oh shit, big upgrade. Big. That's absolutely destroyed.
Unbelievable.
Surely, like, that's why the car felt like the sketchiest bag of shit of all time. Oh, maybe not. Whoa! What you call them? Lollipops? Is that just why, or is that that's the phrase?
That's the phrase.
So we've called it the sketchiest E36 in Ireland. Look, everything on it is sharp or broken.
The coolest.
You bought it and just put tarty cool bits on it to make it look really cool.
Yeah, I didn't spend any
You
money
didn't spend
on the
any.
performance.
I love it. You spent no money on the actual performance of the car. You just spent loads of money on aesthetics, and then went, yeah, it looks good. You bought wheels to fit your arches,
That's all that matters.
and that's literally it. Yeah, it is. Well, style is everything. Now we're fixing the performance because it's soggy and it felt like a total bag of shit, and this caved in on itself. And we done one set of rings in it, and then the radiator broke. So.
Oh, it's not a big deal.
So what we're doing now is, Josh got M3. Is there a difference between the M3 ones? What's the deal? Are they like polybushed or?
They're just offset.
Alright, so he's got an offset M3 bushings that go inside these lollipops, so we need to cut this out. I know what I'm doing now.
Stay warm.
Just an old smoking lollipop. Oh yeah. Satisfaction. Guaranteed. Out with the old, in with the new. So the old bushing is fucking like a biscuit.
I love this so much. Oh my god.
It's
fucking
the worst.
terrible. These the Monroes. Something is Monroe somewhere.
Be Mon Road. Got Mon Road.
Caliper. How are you feeling pressure? Gosh, he's a huge woodlice. Is he a spidey cunt? No, he's not, he's sound.
Yeah, like that. He's only messing with you. Not coming off. That was fun.
Thanks for your input. Show. Helping hand.
Just hang on it, we're fine.
It's not great at all, actually.
Ah, that's terrible. Are they light?
Yeah.
Are they real?
No, they meant to say motorsport here, aren't they, Josh?
They're fake M3 wheels.
I hate them so much, I don't know anything about them. I need them for the bar.
Oh, it's actually poo.
Oh, look at that.
It feels wrong in my hands.
We're going to lighten up this car now, boys.
Oh my god, imagine the weight saving.
Yeah, now we got a new pencil.
Fucking hell, that's a fair old amount of muck.
Oh, it's actually getting darker as the deeper you go down, look. There's diamonds in here, lads.
Jesus.
See with the suspension might be up on this side now, lads.
Look how much that's a lot. A little muck hut. Move the full. Do you think it's going to be fine? It's fine. Gone. Goodbye. Out with the crust. Look at that. That is delicious. This used to be a bump stop, maybe?
The car is kind of handy for some stuff, though, no?
Yeah, you can just reach around. Just mind your hand.
If you want to pull the suspension straight up into the boot.
Yeah. There's no problems there whatsoever. So this was a kind of a slightly decent-ish eBay coilover once upon a time with a helper spring.
It looked nice when it came.
It looked nice. Did you put them in?
No, these are just...
They were just in it.
Yeah.
But they've just been Irished up.
They don't move.
They don't move, they don't work. Scutter. We get a lot of emails from people saying, you know, if we wanted to use their products or whatever, and usually we're not too pushed on that stuff, but this company, Maxpeeding Rods, reached out to us, and it was right in time for the E36 budget build. But our friend Baz actually runs their rods in his 20 valve 7A GE engine, and they seem pretty decent. And Josh actually had these coilovers in his E36. Budget friendly coilover that done the trick. Yeah. You have nothing but nice things to say about him. Perfect for a machine like this, where someone wants to just do drifting on a budget, which is obviously what we're doing, as you can see here. So we're going to replace this tired suspension setup with some fresh stuff. So massive shout out to Maxpeeding Rods, and yeah, they hooked us up. What can you tell us about them, Josh?
They're yellow in colour.
Yellow in colour.
That's orange.
But orange in real life.
Flying stuff.
I'm colourblind.
They've a Ford's T6061 aluminium with T6 camber plate.
T6.
Pillow ball upper mount.
Nice.
A hexagon socket head bolts.
One
Nice.
High tensile performance spring. Spring. A dust boot to protect damper seal.
That's kind of nice.
And then a adjustable high intensity full length steel or aluminium shaft.
So these coilovers are like a step above like €200 eBay coilovers. So these would be like the next step up.
And you can get them in different
€400, yeah, you can get them in a bunch of different colours. But Josh bought these, he had them in his drift car for ages and his road car, and he thought they were pretty decent. And when they reached out to us, we were like, yeah,
Thanks.
this is pretty cool. We'd like to work with you because I guess this is something that other people could buy if you're trying to build a budget-friendly track car. Maxpeeding Rods sent these out to us for free and asked us to install them in a video. Like I said, it's something that we don't usually do, but this definitely like lined up with what we were going to do with the E36.
Taking leaps into your vehicle.
Taking leaps into your
We're gonna leap
vehicle.
them in now in a minute.
That's the best thing ever.
I could leap them in from here if I got.
Does it actually say that?
That's their slogan. Maxpeeding Rod, taking leaps into your vehicle. Thank you very much, Maxpeeding Rod. They will turn Project Shitbox into maybe less of a shitbox. I almost feel bad putting something this nice and shiny into this car. Ooh. Hello there.
Hello.
That's lovely. Oh, it's alive. Look at these nice shiny items. Destined for the track. The track. Did you think you'd be installing a set of these again somewhere in the future?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. These would be Johns. These are probably like what, £220 sterling or something off eBay? Less. So this is like the super budget coilover that you usually could chuck into an E36. They're still pretty decent.
They'd be alright for road.
Yeah. And then these are definitely then a bit of a step up.
Doesn't it the other?
What am I?
What's he called?
Mr. Price.
Oh yeah.
That's all I want. Oh yeah.
Bit of duct tape now and that.
Yeah.
Great.
Cool.
What?
We're in. You wanna hold that?
Yeah, I will do that. Just Ireland's mucky texture versus brand new stuff. Sorry, Coilovers.
Oh, hello. Alright.
Very nice. Taking leaps into your vehicle.
Safety first.
I want the less amount of droop as possible.
Less amount of droop.
Yeah.
That's that. So the old Maxpeedings are in, the bushings in. She should be sharp. Sharp car.
Wicked.
It's a bit of a shame chucking them into something that's this crusty, but they should be a very nice upgrade. Roughness.
Oh, well, that's on there.
Nice. Shockingly bad. Yeah. Looks better already. Might settle a bit, maybe. After some shitty McDonald's, we're back at it. Oh. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh. Look at that for a gasket.
That's fine.
Or is it?
No, it's split in two. No, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
That's a good gasket, eh?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That was definitely helping with the bad sound. Nice. Here's one we made earlier. Run away! Oh! There's something in it. So this is the exhaust off your E30. This into this.
That's going to be in this.
She's trapping. She's a straight pipe anyway. It's definitely a stop sign. So what happened? You cut this in half because you didn't have enough space. Yeah.
Never used it.
I was expecting more.
I thought I was going to get absolutely rattled with oil. This looks like a black pipe.
Stick or a pipe, yeah.
You can put your hand through it.
No problem.
This is drain here, last 5 minutes.
Oh, lovely. Green Fab. Yeah. Green Fab sounds like a waste disposal management company. EVS probably. That's great there, Josh. Thanks very much.
That's lovely. Now I wish I didn't cut this earlier.
You didn't think about it at the time.
Cut it yesterday.
Oh, really? I thought it was like weeks ago.
Yesterday.
Here we are. Whoa, watch yourself. Blobs of molten.
I'm just scanning to see what's flammable around it. 4th of July.
Some smell of burnt hair.
Fucking mint.
Hey, so
This episode is Come on.
okay, lads. Hey, so because the lovely guys at Maxpeeding Rod.
This episode was brought to you by Maxpeeding Rods. Continue.
Anyway, so Maxpeeding Rod hooked us up with the coilovers. So if you put JCBX Max into this link, which I'll put in the description, you'll get 8% off of all of their products on their website, which is
80% off JCBX.
8% off.
8% off.
Yeah, so you'll get 8% off at the checkout if you use the code, which we'll put in the link in the description. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. No,
Let's try not to laugh.
Right, I know. Let's do it again, right?
No,
So
because the coilovers are actually great in the E36,
Yeah.
but it seems like I'm taking the piss.
I know
now.
it does, yeah, because we enjoy them.
Yeah, so thanks for the coilovers, because
Yeah.
we really enjoyed them. Hi, I'm not Tom Chilton, but Tom Chilton, British touring car racing driver, is a spokesperson for Maxpeeding. I'm not Tom Chilton, but Tom Chilton is a spokesperson for Maxpeeding Rods. Hi Tom, if you're watching. Good speaking.
See you in the next episode, lads, where
Bye.
we drift the E36. E36
I
drift.
like British touring cars.
Bye.
Bye.